Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Dardo here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to pick the right power supply for any PC build that you guys want to do in the future. So what you want to do first is open your browser. Once your search engine has loaded, what you want to Google is bottleneck calculator. You guys might notice that I'm performing the same steps as I did in my previous video, which is correct because this site is actually pretty good for finding out if you can, where you can find out like how to build PCs and if you can run games on your computer. So aside from that, there will be 5 sections near the top of the page. What you want to do is click on the PSU calculator section. And once that loads up, you will have to choose your the specs of your computer that you plan on building. So, for example, I'm going to choose the I'm going to choose an Intel Core i7 CPU for the LGA 1151 socket. I'm going to choose the GTX 1080 graphics card, and I'm going to have 1 stick of 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. For storage, I'm going to have one SATA 7.2K rate per minute hard drive. I'm going to have no optical drives and no PCI cards. I'm going to have one fan, which will be 120 millimeters. So once you have filled out the PC specs, click on the I'm Not a Robot box and click Calculate. Wait for this to load. And as you can see, the recommended PSU wattage for those selection of specs is 490 watts. And personally, I would recommend going with a, instead of going for a 500 watt power supply, I would go with a 600 watt power supply just to be safe. Because in case you add anything else to your PC, it will overload your power supply and may cause your computer to shut down due to overload. So here are the specs that I've selected in the previous page, and it will show the load wattage for each of them. So the processor will take 95 watts of the power supply, and the graphics card will take a massive 180 watts, and etc. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So once you are done, you want to just close out of your Chrome or whatever browser you were using. And if you guys did enjoy this very short video, then please smash the like button. It really does help me out a lot. And if you do want more content, please be sure to comment. Be sure to comment what you want to see next, or how I can improve in my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to receive more content along the way. And thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. See you later.